Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and wireless LAN module. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel, touchscreen, and wireless LAN antenna cables for later replacement. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the system board. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the touchscreen cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the display panel and touchscreen cables from the routing channel on the top cover. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the G-sensor cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the retention tape and remove the G-sensor and wireless LAN antenna cables from the routing channel on the speaker. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and carefully open the notebook. While supporting the top cover, remove the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the one 4mm and three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully remove the alignment pins on the top cover from the display panel hinges and remove. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install on the new top cover: power button board, speakers, power connector cable, system board, USB board, hard disk drive assembly, touchpad board, real-time clock RTC battery. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly.